Okay, so next variation of the snatch is the dead snatch. So we're going to start off with the kettlebell on the floor, so that's a dead position. And unlike, say, the regular snatch where you're using that pendulum swing, it's a much more explosive movement because you're generating the force to get the bell from a starting stop where it's dead on the floor up overhead. It actually takes a lot more effort and a lot more of an explosive movement to make that happen. So it's a very dynamic movement, even more so than a normal snatch. So you're just going to use a single kettlebell with this exercise. And what you'll notice when you're going from the side of this, with a usual snatch, there's a slight arc, but with this, it'll just go completely vertical. Okay, so I'm just going to do a few reps of this variation. So we're just going to set the kettlebell up with the kettlebell between the feet. And then from there, it's just a real explosive movement to get it up overhead. So you're going to be doing that high pull kind of movement where you're sort of bringing that shoulder back in a 45 degree, like you're going to be starting a lawnmower, and then just really explode up and then spear through the window at the top. Okay. Okay, what you probably noticed as well there is if your feet comes up off the floor, that's fine. You know, you're exploding up with quite a lot of force, so that's fine, that can happen. And I'll just show you from the side. So nice neutral spine, out to the side. And also what you don't want to happen as well, just at the top, you really want to come down as vertical as you can. So tame that arc, so rather than sort of flipping that bell forward, you're really going to lose control of it. Just gently let it drop, so you come down in a straight line as well, so you're going up and down vertical. Okay, I'm just going to do a few reps from the side. Just do a few more.